Hello children, welcome back to computer class. So here in this video we will continue with chapter number 3, tools of word processor. In the previous video we learned about the features of word processor and about the window of MS Word 2016. Now we will learn about various ways to work in this MS Word application. Right children? So first of all here it is marked here entering the text, how to enter the text. Now in the previous video I have talked about the cursor, a blinking line, no? So that blinking line is the indication that here the typed text will start appearing from here, right? And here there is a feature of word processor, that is wrapping text or text wrapping. Text wrapping means when we start typing the text, no, then MS Word program automatically shifts the text to the next line. When the current line gets over, then if it is not finding and we are still typing and it is not finding place, then it automatically shifts to the next line. So that is the text wrapping feature of Word, right? Word program. Okay, now children, moving ahead, let's learn how to create a new document, how to save a new document, how to close it and how to open it. Following beautiful representation it's given here in this book with the help of windows. Now creating a document, I'll just zoom it for you so that you can focus just on this part. Creating a new document. Here first of all, as I've told you, there is a ribbon below the title bar where is a file tab. If it is not clear, I'm just pointing here, it's a file tab. Okay, you have to click that, then the following menu will appear in front of you. From there you have to click new option and then you have to click this blank document. In this way you can create a blank document and open a blank document for you to work on. Okay, and here some shortcut keys also are there which helps us to do any function quickly in a program. So you have to learn the shortcut keys also. For every action there are many ways of doing it. So here for creating you can use Ctrl+N also. This will also open a blank document for you children. Now next is saving a document. Once you have made a document, you have typed your document, then you need to save it children. So again you have to click the file tab, then you have to select save or save as option. And then your following window will appear in front of you. There in the section of file name you have to enter any name and then you have to click the save button. This is the way of saving a document. This can be done by a shortcut key which is Ctrl+S. Okay, moving ahead children, here it is closing a document. That means if you have worked on the document, now you need to make another document in MS Word, then you need to close the first document. For that again you have to click file tab, then a menu will open, then you have to click close command here and then your document will close. Now your MS Word app is ready to open a new document. Shortcut key is Ctrl+W. Children, you can also close this window by here. There is a cross button. As you can see here, there's a cross button here which you can use to close MS Word program if you no more want to work with, if you're finished working with this program. Okay, or a shortcut key is also there for closing this Word application, that is Alt+F4. Okay, now children, now if you want to open already made document, once you have made a document, now you want to see it again, then you have to click the file tab and then click the open option from there, and then you have to enter the name of the file which you want to open and then you have to click the open button here. It can be done with the shortcut key Ctrl+O also. Okay, so these are the ways to work on this MS Word window. Right children, then you can go for printing also children. I'll just show you this very closely. You can print the document also on a paper with the help of a printer. If a printer is attached to your computer, you can print it. So you can click file tab once again and click, this time you choose print option. When you choose the print option, following window will appear in front of you, giving the name of the printer here, how many copies you want to make. Okay, all this you have to do the entry. And here children, you can see the page is seen here, the preview. This is called the preview of the page. And if you find that it is not according to your choice, then you can do some editing again, changes again, and then you can go for printing. So very good option. It saves your paper also. Okay, and it gives out a good document of your desirable document. Okay, right children, so this is the way of printing. Shortcut key is Ctrl+P. Now moving ahead children, editing. Now what is editing? Editing is making changes in the document children. Okay, now once you have written something children, now once you have typed the text and now you want to bring some changes in that, you want to delete something, you want to copy it, you want to make a duplicate copy of it, you want to transfer it, then for that you have to first do the selection. Selection is very important, means the part which you want to work on, you want to change, you have to select it. Okay, select it means that part will be highlighted like this with the highlighted bar. As you can see in the window, down here the second line is highlighted with this gray color. Sometimes it is light blue color also, sometimes gray color also. This whatever text we are selecting gets highlighted like this in the form of a bar, highlighted bar. Okay, now you will ask me selection. The selection can be done by various ways. One of the very easy ways, for example, the second line is fully selected. How to do that? You have to bring your pointer in before the word S of sum. This word, first word is sum here. So you have to bring the pointer here and then click the left mouse button. There are two buttons in your mouse now, left and right. Click the left mouse button and drag it till the end here, children. End of the line, and then release the left mouse button is the best way of selecting. Okay, now I have drawn two lines here. You can see here the two lines are drawn. This is showing the left margin of the text you are typing. And here, this left margin is the blank area, children, which is also called the selection area, where you can do the selection. For example, you want to select one paragraph. Then if you click in this left blank area, no, double click. Double click means quickly you are pressing the left button 2 times. Okay, then the whole paragraph will be selected. If you quickly press 3 times, then the whole document will be selected. Okay, so this is the way of selection. Many ways are there. Children, go through it and you can try out. If you have computer at your place, then you can open MS Word and try out all these selection methods. If you want to select a word, double click on it. If you want to select just a minute. If you want to select a sentence, then you have to hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. If you want to select a paragraph, you can triple click in that. If you want to select a large block of text, means many paragraphs you want to select, then you can just click at the beginning of the paragraph and then hold the shift button from the keyboard and then click at the end of the paragraph. You will be able to select many paragraphs at a time. For the entire document, you have a shortcut key Ctrl+A for selecting the entire document. Now comes, children, how to insert the text. For inserting the text, children, what you have to do, I'll just show you here. Inserting means, children, adding text in already written document if you want to add something new. How to do that? Now here I'll show a window in front of you is there. Now you have to bring the pointer where you want to insert the text. You need to bring the cursor over there. For example, I want to insert a line before this education. So I will bring my cursor over here and then start typing the text. As you start typing the text, automatically, for example, I have typed the text here, information is liberating. Then automatically the text, which is education is the premise of progress, that will shift towards the right side automatically. Okay, so this is called the inserting mode of MS Word. Now comes the next command, children, here. Moving the text. Moving the text means you are changing the position of the text. For example, here I will just show you with the help of this windows. Very nicely it is represented in your book. Okay, now here just see in the first window what is written. Knowledge is power and information is liberating. Okay, now I want to change knowledge is power. I want to change the position of this to the second line. I want it to come in the second line. So what I'll do, I will first select it. For selection, I have taught you in the previous paragraph how to select it. Bring the pointer here before K, hold the left mouse button and drag it till the full stop. It will get selected, it will get highlighted. Then you can there are many ways of doing this, moving the text. You can right click, children, and a menu will open. From there you can choose the cut command. Always for moving the text we are using cut command. Or after selecting, you can from this ribbon you can select this cut command and then cut command. So as you will click this cut command, this knowledge is power will disappear from there. And then wherever you want this, like I want it on the second line, so I will bring my pointer here on the second line and then again from this ribbon I will click this paste button. That helps me to paste this knowledge is power, the first sentence in the second place. So this is called moving of the text with the help of cut and paste command, two commands which we will use one by one. Okay children, so that was for moving the text. Now children comes copying the text children. Here, wait. Okay, sometimes when we are doing this, some button is clicked and it goes. Fine, no problem, we'll continue. Copying the text now children. Now for copying and pasting, what is the meaning of that? That to prepare a duplicate copy. In moving the text, we were changing the position. In copying the text, we are making a duplicate copy of that text. Okay, that means duplicate means, you understand that the text will remain at the original, the first place also, and it will appear on a new place. Now the text will appear on two places, the previous place also and the new place also. This is called copying. Okay, again for this also we have two commands, copy and paste commands. Okay children, for example, very good example is given here. You just see this window, like here which is highlighted, eat more fruits and veggies is highlighted children. Okay, so there are many ways of doing it. Either you first select it and then right click the mouse button, and from there you can choose copy command here, and then wherever you want you bring the pointer there, again you do the right click and choose paste command. And if you don't want to go with this, you can have this other method also. Select the text first, and from the clipboard group, you just choose here copy command, copy button, and then it will be copied. Okay, now after that, wherever you want to have a second copy or duplicate of this, you just bring the pointer over there, and then you have to click from this ribbon again, you have to click the paste button. Okay, so this way you can create, you can see it has appeared at two places. So this way, with the help of this buttons, you can make a copy of this. And you have noticed one thing, paste command is used always after cut also and copy also. And when we are doing copying and cutting of any text, it goes first, it disappears first, and it gets stored in a temporary memory called clipboard. And when you use the paste command, then only it appears on the screen. Till that time, it gets stored in a temporary memory called clipboard. Okay children, now moving ahead, deleting. Now children, you can delete the text also by using delete key. First of all, again you have to select the text and you can choose delete key from the keyboard. You can also use backspace key for deleting children. And now backspace key, what does it do? When you bring the cursor at one place, for example, my cursor is, just have a look of this, follow a healthy diet. So if I bring my pointer after diet here, cursor after the diet here, and if I click backspace from the keyboard, then whatever is on the left side of my cursor, that is diet is on the left side, so one by one the characters will start getting deleted. Okay, like first T will get deleted, then E, then I, then D. Like this I can delete the character to the left of the cursor by the backspace key. Now comes the undo and redo commands children. Undo and redo commands. Now here, function of undo command is to reverse the last action given, a last action done. And redo command is the reverse of the undo command. I'll show you this with the help of an example children. Now here, you can see this first window here. Okay, now deleting the first window children. Here, first you have deleted this highlighted line, you have deleted first. Now, you later after this, you realize that I don't want to delete this. I don't want to delete this. Then what do you do children? What do? You just click undo command. Undo command is given by the back arrow. Okay, the arrow like this. This is the sign of undo command. Okay, it is present in the quick access toolbar also. Okay, now so this, as you can see this, when you click the undo command, again this text has appeared here. Again this text has appeared here. Right children? Now, okay, after this children, now after this has appeared again. Now, what is the role of redo command? Redo command is the reverse of the undo. What undo has done, redo will do the opposite of that. So this line has appeared again. So if you click the redo command, this line gets disappeared again. Right? So that is the role of redo command. Here you can see this is the redo command sign is there. Okay, and these two are present in the quick access toolbar. Now children, checking the spelling and grammar. You can check the spelling and grammar, children, with the help of check spelling and grammar command, children. Okay, so this spelling and grammar command, I'll just show you. It is present here in the review tab, children. You can see this review tab on the tab bar. You can see here in the ribbon, you can see there is a review tab. You have to click that, and then in the proofing group there is a command called spelling and grammar. I'll zoom it for you. You can see here above Thesaurus, you can see spelling and grammar command. So from here, children, you can use this spelling and grammar command. Now and then you will be seeing that all the wrong spelled word will be seen by red color, and the list of options will be there. From there you can make the correction. Okay, always a misspelled spelling is seen by red wavy line, and a grammatical mistake or error is seen by green wavy line. Okay, because the computer has inbuilt dictionary and a set of rules, accordingly it is making these wavy lines. Okay, now how to correct it? Like for example, in this case, knowledge is information. The spelling of information is wrong. So red highlighting, red wavy line is there. You just have to select this word first. Okay, and then you have to do right click. As soon as you do right click, a shortcut menu or a context menu appears in front of you. There suggestions will be there of the correct spelling. You can correct the spelling, children, or you can correct the spelling. You can choose the spelling from here, and MS Word will automatically correct your spelling and remove the red wavy line. Okay, so that is the spelling and grammar command. Now the last command we are discussing here is Thesaurus. Now children, Thesaurus helps you to improve your vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms. Synonyms are the words with a similar meaning. They are different, spellings are different, but the meaning is the same. Okay, for any word. So it improves our vocabulary. For example, we are making a document and we want to replace some words with very advanced word, with words which are sounding more better than that. Okay, a good words we can say. Okay, high standard words. Then what you do is you just go to, again, that I'll just show you in the window here. You have to click the review tab. In that, this time you have to click Thesaurus. In the proofing group, you have to click Thesaurus. As soon as you click Thesaurus, for example, here this paragraph is written here. I want to change this word powerful with a better word than this. So what I'll do, I will select this. I will click review tab. I will click Thesaurus. Then in the right side, children, I'll just show you here. In the right side, a pan will appear here like this. You can see this Thesaurus has appeared in the right pan. Now, here what you'll do, children, here there are a list of suggestions is there. You can choose any. For example, here the word influential is written. I want to select that. Then I will click on this, and there is a drop down arrow is there which I will click, and click insert from there, and Word will automatically insert this in the place of powerful. Now the sentence will become, it becomes powerful, it becomes influential. So this way we can enhance our documents. So these were some ways to enhance our document and work with MS Word. With all this knowledge, you can try it out, children, in your computer, okay, and practice this. All right, thank you.